All right, today we're going to do a video of a 2006 Citizen M20V Type 5. Machine has a Mitsubishi control. You also have a mini Swiss, an MTA Barfeed. You also have your Cool Blaster high pressure unit. Start with the main spindle. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 3,000 RPM. That's 5,000 RPM. We'll switch over now to your C-axis. The machine has a full C-axis on the main spindle. We're running the gang live tooling right now. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 2,500. And that's 4,000. Jog the axes. I'm going to switch over to the sub spindle. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 3,000. And that's 5,000. Show you the C-axis. It's a full C as well. Machine is equipped with a lower turret. Turret indexing. And then we have the live tooling on the turret. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 3,500. And that's 5,000. Nice and quiet. Now I'll just jog the axes manually. That's your Z. Do X and Y on your gang slide. Hold nice and quiet. You have your X on your turret. You have Z on your turret. And you also have Y-axis on the turret. And then you have your sub spindle, the X and the Z. That about does it. The machine is 220 volts, 3-phase. It does come with also a regular coolant system. It can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching. 2006 Citizen M20. Gonna run the live tooling with a tool mounted. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 3,500. And that's 5,000 RPM. Thanks for watching.